Friends, good evening. Today it is 6/3/2023 and the time is 9:30. Boring expiry, but still we made money. Yesterday we went short. Today it opened up, and then it was a beautiful fall till our number, which is 16,893, which will be the miracle number for the week. It has to hold that number because that was the crucial number of Ichimoku. So what we bought at 30 rupees, 16,900 put, and we squared off at 60, and the remaining got stop loss at 29. So we made some money out of it. But morning itself, I clearly said you need to watch three counters. One is UBL, Titan, and third one is McDowell. It is because of a simple Venus effect. Okay, all the three really rocked well today. Okay, really rocked well today, and the timings, the combo timing which we gave in Nifty, it was a wonder. And since there is no combo timing in Bank Nifty, so you need to take the timing which I gave in the PPT yesterday. Even that also worked really well. Even on the expiry, timings works really well. You people thinking that option chain will do the wonders on weekly expiry or monthly expiry, but timing does much better than your option chain analysis. Anyway, let's go and see all that. And today, actually, we bought some quantity of Nifty, and since it is not able to close above 17,050, which was struggling there, so we exited that off of the quantity, and we are holding only three lots Nifty, and we carry forward Hindustan Lever, McDowell, and UBL. Okay, all three we are holding. And Reliance, again, it is close to below 22.35, which is not a good sign at all. And but according to me, it has to bottom out today. It has to bottom out today based on three reasons. One, it has touched exactly the flat line of Ichimoku. Second, it was Astro Day today. It was a lot of combination of Astro Day today, and the candle also a little bit. There was a buying pressure from the market where it went down today. From there was a buying pressure. At least you have seen some green candle on the Astro Day at the end of the bottom. So that is what is very crucial now. That is what is very crucial now. So unless and until it is not going to break below today's low, there is no problem till at least 20th and 21st. See all that today. And I'm going to cover, don't worry, I'm going to cover credit choose because many people ask me how that credit choose, whatever. I'm going to do that. Okay, so this was the first message at 8 o'clock. Remember, Mercury will have an impact on oil, telegram, telecom, and all that. And the second is keep UBL, McDowell, Titan in your radar. This is purely based on the Venus impact. Okay, and all the three really did extremely well, and we combined our numbers also, so it really worked well. And coming to timing, okay, so this is the two timing which I mentioned long back itself. You need to mark these two things. Time to watch 16th March, 2:15 to 3:15, 1 hour candle in Nifty. 1 hour candle in Nifty, sorry, 1 hour candle in Bank Nifty, and Nifty 12:15 to 1:15, 1 hour candle in on 16th March. Mark this too. I have already given everything in my PPT. So just go and watch that. Okay. And coming to timing, so this was the timing, combo timing for Nifty, 11:15 to 11:20, 12:35 to 12:40, 205 to 210, 205 to 210. Actually, today morning we expected that our put will go to zero, but fortunately, by God's grace, we doubled our money. We doubled our money and clearly said trend change date open is equal to I, be in short with the stop loss. So it doubled actually. So we made some good money out of it. Chalo, let's go and see the chart. So this is Nifty on a weekly. Okay, this is Nifty on a weekly. So this is where the convergence happens, where the cloud will become narrow and it will it is showing a bullish pattern from here on. From here on, unless and until the price sustains above the cloud. Unless and until the price sustains above the cloud. So what is our number? Our number is 16,893, which is this flat color line. 16,893. So this is our flat line. Okay. So if you see here, this is our flat line, and that is where it came and touched today. Okay, till it holds this low, and today also it's a astro day. Till it holds this low, there is no problem. But if it breaks, first the target is this lagging span. This lagging span, it is already coming. It's already inside the cloud, which is actually not a good sign, first of all. But still, the price sustained the cloud. So now, in case if it breaks down, this lagging span will come and try to touch this baseline, which is roughly around 16,649. 649. And the second target is this flat color line, which is roughly around 16,378. 16,378. Unless and until it is not going to break below this, conversion here, or mean reversion, whatever you want to call, unless it is not going to go below this, we can sustain. But when it goes below, the first target is 16,649 and the second target is 16,377, which is a very, very important number. Very important number, not because of Ichimoku, it is because of something else. So 16,377. So this is what it is looking on the technical front here. And if you go to Nifty today, see the beauty in timings. This was the first timing, 11:15 to 11:20. None of the candle closed above this high. It's a clear fall. And again, the second timing, clear bottom. Okay, and the third gave a thumbs up, but unfortunately it came and closed below. But here the stop loss got triggered in case if you traded with this candle. But this candle gave a phenomenal money, and this candle gave a phenomenal money till up to this. So even maybe your stop loss would have got hit somewhere around 16,980. Okay, see how beautifully this works. And again, if you go to Bank Nifty, perfect time. Perfect high. This is what the timing which we mentioned. This was the perfect high. Then this candle, the stop loss got triggered. And again, this candle, it was a bottom, and from there it went up. Okay, so now coming to hourly candle. Coming to hourly candle, I will delete this. This candle high and low is the key. This candle high and low is the key for the coming days. Okay, mark this. And coming to Nifty, this candle, I'll delete this. This candle high and low, which is 12:15 to 1:15 candle. Okay, this candle. Okay, so this candle high and low is very important, and the candle went up, came down, exactly gave a buy at this number, which is 16,972. That was a crucial number for us today. Many times I mentioned this number, 16,972, 16,972, all because of this, plus our 907 number, sell number is 16,972. So price and time actually converged at 16,972 today. That is why I mentioned that number many times today in my WhatsApp group as well as in my Telegram group. So unless and until it is holding above this candle high, nothing to worry. But since it is a phenomenal astro day, simply mark the high, mark the low, and be with the market. And be with the market. Very simple. Very simple. Okay. So now many people asked about when you go to Nifty in 15 minutes, till it is in sell, there is no buy. The sell got initiated at 17,615. 17,615. After that, it became genuine. After that, it became genuine. Then gap down. Again went up. Magical candle until now. Whenever it goes and touches the red color, it is coming down. Again, it went touched here, came down. Again, it went touched, came down. So in 15 minutes, till now, there is no buy. So even though market took the bottom at the Ichimoku front, there is no buy confirmation yet in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. So we have not touched Bank Nifty today. We went short and we went long. Only 3 lots in Nifty, so we are holding it. And in Bank Nifty, from 40,565 till now there is no buy. Till now there is no buy. Already 1,500 points done in 15 minutes time frame position. Okay. So now many people ask me about credit chips. Okay. I told very clearly to people that our system knows everything much better than any news or events or which is going to come later point of time. Okay, whichever system which you use, that system itself knows much better than the people those who are talking in the TV. Okay, so I'll just give you an example of fortune signals in credit juice. Okay, so now the sell came here at 1108. 1108. Okay, so you exited here, wait for it to go and touch. In case if you are a short player, go and short at the blue. So the blue touched at 1121. 1121. So all the candles are in red. So there is no buy. You should not buy. Even credit choose MD comes and says buy this counter, you should not buy. So simply you need to sell at 1121. Then started coming down, coming down, coming down. It gave a buy. It gave a buy. What is the condition? The condition is if the fortune signals gives the buy, the next day or whenever any candle must to close above this high to give a genuine buy. It means the follow-up trend is coming. Otherwise, we call this as a fake buy where the trap is happening, and the trap is literally happened. From there, the fall again started from 11 rupees. Okay. So again came down. Again it gave a buy here. Again it gave a buy here. None of the candle closed above the buy. None of the candle closed above the buy. This is where you can go short. Okay, I already told many people this system will work even in 30 seconds or even in 3 months. Any time frame you take, it will work. So it will capture the exact eye. It will capture the exact eye. So this was the exact eye. Again, none of the candle closed above. So again, it came down. And where to sell? Whenever it comes down, once become genuine, go and hit at the blue. This is the resistance. You need to hit here because the stop loss will be very, very small. So hit at the blue. Again, it started coming down. Again went and touched the blue. Hit here. Again, it came down. Again went and touched the blue. Hit here. See, there is no buy. Again, it went and touched the blue here. Hit. Again, touched the blue. Hit. From 11 rupees $10, 11 $10. Today it is 2 rupee, $2.23. Simply follow the system. No need to follow any news. The system knows much better. The system knows much better from 11 to 2. From 11 to 2. And the sell came in March 2021, not now. From there, it is not a buy. And we got the news in the last 2-3 days. And it gave a sell when March 2021. So if you go here, it gave a sell 29th March 2021. 29th March 2021. From there is no buy in this company. Okay, chalo. And coming to the important date, 22nd March is the very important date for credit juice. I have not done detailed analysis. This is a very simple analysis. Many people knows about this. But anyway, this is the very important date for credit juice is 21st March. And you all already know that 20th and 21st are a mega combo date, not only for Nifty and Bank Nifty, it is all over. So 21st was a very, very, very impact as to date. So here it comes 22nd. So watch out for 22nd March in credit juice. Okay, so now let's go to the PPT. Let's go to the PPT. Okay, so this is for tomorrow. Okay, so I've already marked the high and low of today. Okay, and tomorrow I will give this number for the expiry, coming weekly expiry. I'll give this number. Till that time you can use this number, and market is much below this number. Okay, and coming to GAN, and 16th March was a very important date. Mark the high and low for minimum 250 points move on the upside or 250 points move on the downside below today's low and 750 points in Bank Nifty. Bulls can survive till Nifty holds 16,893 on a weekly closing basis based on Ichimoku. I've already showed that to you. And Venus did wonders today in UBL, McDowell, and Titan. McDowell was a real rocker, real rocker. And below, this is what I mentioned yesterday, below 31,121, 3809 was possible. It is done. And it went very near to this number, but missed. Okay. So now 38809 is done. From where? 40,679. That was our sell initiation number. Okay. So timings for tomorrow is this. Timings for tomorrow is this. So many people want to ask me that why can't you write the holdings? My numbers ask me. So I'm writing this. Holding Nifty long initiated today at 16,893. 983, sorry, 983, and holding Titan, HUL, and McDowell. Okay, these are all long, all the long. There is no short in the market as of now for me. In case if it, but based on the system, it is short only on 15 minutes. I have taken a little punt today. Okay, based on Ichimoku, based on trend change rate, based on something else. So let's see how the market is going to play out tomorrow. Okay, so now 16,893 is done, break below 16,833, and I have already told you other thing. And one more thing you need to understand is mark this number 17,036, which is nothing but the 50% rule from the low to the high. It comes to 17,036, and that is what today I said very clearly. 17,036 will act as a major resistance. Market from down, it went and touched that number, and from there it reversed, where the timing candle also came into the picture. So now all these numbers are still bearish, but something is cooking because few other number which I concentrate, it is more or less converged. That is why it prompted me to take the long portion in Nifty. So apart from these numbers, there are another three numbers which I used to keep it with me, and that also merged. So according to me, the short-term convergence is already happened in Nifty future. The short-term convergence is already happened in Nifty futures today. That is why I took the long. I may be wrong. Tomorrow, if it breaks today's low, I will exit my position. Okay, so all again, Bank Nifty is not at all any, even the minor number also is not getting converted. So there is no question of buying long in Bank Nifty. Okay, unless and until it gives, buy. So now this is where the market topped out this week, 40,679. It came and achieved all this number. Exactly the top happened at 40,679. Kindly mark the number, and this was the high of Monday. This was the high of Monday, and went and came and touched this number. So again, this number is also done, waiting for this number in case if it breaks 38809. And tomorrow, these are the counters for today. Trend change rate is over. Tomorrow, Can Bank, FSL, IOC, Jindal Steel, PNB, Whirlpool. Okay, Whirlpool. All these 6 companies are coming into trend change rate. So kindly have a watch. So even if you go to the chart, if you take Nifty, on a monthly effect. Okay, so just a minute. So if you take, so the monthly effect, so from this low, even if you take Fibonacci, from this high to this high, so the 50% rule comes to 17,036. 17,036. I have not marked exactly. So if you put it is 17,036. So market must close above that number for the sustenance. But according to me, the market will be bullish only if it crosses and closes above 17,161. 17,161. And that was the miracle number which we are writing for the whole week. And even if you go here on the first page itself, you will see that number 17,161. 17,161. That was the extreme support. Now this will act as a major resistance. Major resistance. Okay, that's all. Nothing more to add. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. See you soon tomorrow with the magical number of 907 and with the weekly expiry weekly expiry numbers for the next week from tomorrow to next Thursday. Thanks a lot. Until then.